See, if a and b are -2 comma -2 and 2 comma -4 respectively. Here given a and b points. Find the coordinates of p such that AP equal to 3 by 7 into AB and P lies on the line segment. Okay. Here given condition is AP equal to 3 by 7 into AB. Okay. P lies on the line segment. We know line segment, it has 2 endpoints. Okay. Here AB is the line segment. AB points -2 comma -2, 2 comma -4. P lies on the line segment. Okay. P, suppose P somewhere here. Okay. This is the point P. Here we have to find coordinates of P. Let coordinates of P is x comma y. Okay. Here given condition AP equal to 3 by 7 into AB. Okay. AP equal to 3 by 7 into AB. AB write it as AP plus PB. Okay. AP plus PB, which is equal to AB. Okay. AP plus PB. By 7 comes to this side into 7. 7 AP equal to 3 into AP plus PB. 3 into AP, 3 AP plus 3 PB equal to 7 AP. Okay. 7 AP minus 3 AP, which is equal to 3 PB. 7 minus 3, 4 AP equal to 3 PB. AP by PB equal to 3 by 4. Okay. Here we get ratio AP by PB. AP is 3 parts, 3 units. PB is 4 parts. Okay. 3:4. Okay. Here we get ratio. It is nothing but M1 is to M2. Okay. Here AB is the line segment. P lies on the line segment. It divides in the ratio of 3:4. Okay. M1 is to M2 is given 3 by 4. Okay. And we know A and B points. We know section formula. X coordinate Px, which is equal to M1 into X2 plus M2 into X1 by M1 plus M2. Y coordinate Py equal to M1 into Y2 plus M2 into Y1 by M1 plus M2. Okay. Here points A -2 comma -2, B 2 comma -4, X1 Y1, X2 Y2. M1 is 3, 3 into X2 is 2, M2 4 into X1 -2 by M1 plus M2, 3 plus 4. 3 2s are 6. 4 into -2 -8. 3 plus 4, 7. Okay. It is -2 by 7. Okay. X coordinate -2 by 7. Next Y coordinate M1. M1 is 3 into Y2 -4 plus M2. M2 is 4 into Y1 is -2 by M1 plus M2, 3 plus 4. 3 4s are -12. 4 into -2 -8 by 7. -20 by 7. Okay. Therefore, coordinates of P are minus 2 comma 7 minus 20 by 7. Okay. Next example. Find the area of a rhombus if its vertices are 3 comma 0, 4 comma 5, minus 1 comma 4 and minus 2 comma 1 taken in order. Okay. We know rhombus. All sides are equal and diagonals are unequal. Okay. This is the rhombus A. Let A 3 comma 0, B 4 comma 5, C minus 1 comma 4, D minus 2 comma minus 1. Okay. Here we have to find area of a rhombus. We know area of a rhombus formula is half into product of its diagonals. Okay. Area of rhombus is half into product of its diagonals. Diagonals are AC and BD. Okay. Half into AC into BD. Okay. In rhombus, diagonals are unequal. Okay. All sides are equal. Diagonals are unequal. Okay. So here we have to find length of AC and length of BD. Okay. We know distance between any 2 points. Formula is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. Therefore, AC equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 0 whole square. Okay. Minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. Minus 4 whole square is plus 16. 4 square is 16. Okay. 16 plus 16. 32. Root of 32. 32 write it as 16 into 2 which is equal to 4 into root 2. Okay. In same way BD equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square minus 2 minus 4. Okay. Minus 2 minus 4 whole square plus minus 1 minus 5 whole square. Minus 1 minus 5 whole square. 2 minus 2 minus 4 6. Okay. Minus 6 whole square is plus 36. Minus 1 minus 5 minus 6. Minus 6 whole square is plus 36. It is 72. Okay. Root over 72. Write it as 36 into 2. 6 into root. Okay. Therefore, area of rhombus equal to half into AC into BD. Okay. Half into AC 4 root 2 into BD. BD is 6 root 2. Okay. Root 2 into root 2. 4 into 6. Root 2 into root 2 which is equal to 2. 2 get cancelled. 4 into 6. 24. 24 square units. Okay. Therefore, area of the rhombus is 24 square units. Okay.